In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can operate with algebraic fractions. With the example on the left-hand side, I have a fraction multiplied by another fraction. Normal numeric rules still apply when dealing with algebraic fractions. When multiplying normal fractions, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. But with algebraic fractions, we always try to use factorizing to simplify wherever possible. So looking at the denominator of the first fraction, this can be factorized. This would give d squared over d plus 6 and d plus 8. Now we multiply by d plus 6 over d cubed. Multiplying my numerators and multiplying my denominators, I can now write this as a single fraction. D squared multiplied by d plus 6 all over d plus 6, d plus 8 multiplied by d cubed. Now that I've got it written as a single fraction, I can cancel out any common factors. The numerator and denominator both have a common factor of d plus 6. If I divide both the numerator and denominator by d squared, I get 1 on the numerator, and d cubed divided by d squared will be d to the power 1. So my final answer is 1 over d lots of d plus 8. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So looking at the first fraction, both the numerator and denominator can be factorized. The numerator becomes a plus 7, a plus 8. The denominator comes a plus 7, a minus 2. This would then be multiplied by a minus 2 over a plus 7. Now multiplying my numerators and my denominators together would give a plus 7, a plus 8 multiplied by a minus 2. And this will all be over a plus 7, a minus 2 and a plus 7. Now that I've got it written as a single fraction, I can begin to cancel out any common factors. Dividing both the top and the bottom by a plus 7, only one of the a plus 7s will cancel out in the denominator. The other common factor in this case is a minus 2, so cancelling this out as well will then leave as my final answer a plus 8 all over a plus 7.